Hello guys, here we are to unbox my favorite smartwatch. Let's check what's inside. This is the box we got inside the cover. If we take it up, we got this watch which is FireBoltt-Collide Bluetooth calling smartwatch which have retina level HD display, and we have inbuilt mic and speaker also. Let's open this up and quickly check what we got inside. And the main thing which attracts me more about this watch is this design. Due to this only I just ordered it. Let's see what will be inside and how this totally looks. So let's look what we got. We got one user manual which will have all these things and the modes how we can set up this watch, and we got the watch which is so cool, and the strap is very nice and lightweight, and the weight also very less of this watch. Free music subscription for Kana, so we can check it out. And also we got some accessories which are nothing but the charger cable, which is a magnetic type charging cable, so it will help us. Let me wear this and show you how it feels. You need to remove this. This is just a thing, and then we'll turn on this thing, which is turning on the FireBoltt and MSD on the face of it. That's it. We got this watch which is turned on, and it's an empty watch, so we can see the steps once here, and calories, all the things, heart monitor which is not showing anything on the table, and we have blood sugar monitor which is not showing anything, sleep timing, music, Bluetooth. Feel of the watch is so premium, and the strap is really nice, and it's very lightweight, and you can see it's having auto sensors. Whenever you look at it, it will turn on. So the watch is good. Let's use it for some days and we'll come in front of you with the review of it. Thank you.